Loki! Guys, this is Loki. He's brand new. I mean, he's not new. He is 3 months old, and today it's going to be his first time taking a bath, and my first time trying to bathe a Maltese dog. I bought this kit from Captain Zach, where I got a towel. I got a toy for my Maltese dog. I got this bag to keep his items. It's a bag care and hygiene. And then I got this paw smoothing moisturizer that you guys can see over here. I got smoothing leave-in conditioner. I also got Bling on Shine, which is a shampoo that makes your dog hair shine more. I have this Excuse Me Fleece shampoo, which helps your pet or baby or dog or whatever it is that you prefer to call to be clean and free from fleas. And then I got this She Pleasure Sniffing You. It's a shampoo used to relax your dog. So you can use this to massage your dog while bathing him at the same time. And I got this shampoo and spray to repel ticks and fleas. So whenever you don't want to actually give a complete bath to your dog, you can simply spray him with this and he is going to be free of fleas. This is another set of shampoo of Excuse Me Fleas. The entire kit costed almost around 2000 rupees. I'm not sure how much that is in dollars. You can just convert and figure it out. And this is like the cutest thing ever. Now, let me just show you Loki. This is Loki. I think he does not know that a nightmare is about to begin right now. Let's just start. I prepared warm water to bathe him because they can actually feel cold. And I have a towel to clean him after the bath. And apart from that, I am going to blow dry him with my blow dryer. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Hey guys, this is Loki. He is ready or almost ready. This is actually scary for me too. It's my first time doing this. So let me just clear this area and start bathing him. No, no, no. No, no, no. Okay. He is very dirty right now. So today I'm gonna use Excuse Me Fleas because he is having a lot of fleas on his body. Loki, hold on. He's trying to run away. Check it out, guys. He has some fleas over here. So I'm trying to make sure that I pass the shampoo everywhere.
Goodbye. He's shivering. Goodbye. Who's my boy? Who's my boy? Who's my boy? Who is it? Who is it? Huh? Who is it? Is that you, Loki? Is that you? Huh? You have so many fleas on you. Were they disturbing you? Yes, they were. Yes, they were. They're not going to disturb you anymore, okay? Not anymore. Not anymore. Vai mais. Aqui assim, aqui. Yeah. Chega, chega. Vai, dá. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Oh my god, look at him. Guys, check out. There are so many fleas coming out of him. They're just falling and I'm trying to kill them. What are you eating, Loki? I'm just trying to remove the fleas one by one and kill them before they spread in my room. It's okay, Loki. It's alright. It's alright. Hey, Loki.
So guys, this is Loki after taking a bath. I cleaned him up and then I used the blow dryer to blow him up. And he was so scared running here and there, but finally he relaxed when I started combing his hair. And now he slept. He slept like a baby and he's just enjoying the process of me massaging him. And I'm also enjoying the process. So yeah, now I have to put him in bed. And that's it. If you have stayed so far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about a Maltese dog, how to handle him and everything else. I'm still learning. This is my first Maltese. And if I know the answers to your questions, I will definitely answer it. And just check it out how fluffy he looks right now. He looks very fluffy and very comfortable. Oh my god. This is so cute. This is so cute. He looks really comfortable and fluffy. And he had so many fleas. He had so many fleas on him. I managed to remove most of it, but I think I need to bathe him for 2 more times before he's completely free of fleas. And I had to cut parts of his hair, which is here, because it was kind of tangled. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave your comment down below and share this video with your friends.